Sunroom 63.
Flashbang.
Dude, I got the only 2 kills. Oh, look at orange script.
Ooh.
Nice script.
Dude, I swear to God, if you tell anyone,
I'm gonna tell your mom.
they're fucking not.
That was a sick.
What? Did you see that?
What?
I
Oh
didn't
my
see it.
God!
First you're
my
scripting,
God.
now you got aimbot?
Throw me the penis.
Dude, don't tell my mom.
I'm telling Rebecca. I'm sorry.
You're fucking not.
Let's go, people.
The voice
It's
is
happening.
Flashbang.
There's a raccoon in my engine.
Alright.
Squeaky! I'm scared! Yo, Green, I gotta show you something. There was a raccoon in my engine.
Thanks.
Shit, you didn't see it. There's a raccoon in there, though.
Really?
No.
Yeah, you wanna see the raccoon?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll remind you if we ever see
He's
it.
in this one right here.
Let's go, people.
There's a raccoon in my engine!
I don't see it.
Oh yeah, you gotta really look out for it. Oh my God! There's a raccoon in my engine!
Nice.
What the fuck?
There's a raccoon in my engine!
Do you wanna... d- What are you doing?
LeBron James! I know put me! Yes!
Kobe!
What the fuck just happened? What is this game?
Sorry, there's a raccoon in there.
Can you link that to me, maybe?
Just
Literally look up on YouTube, there's a raccoon in my engine.
Okay.
There's a raccoon in my engine!
There you go.
There's a raccoon in my engine!
Search on YouTube, there's a raccoon in my engine. Search on YouTube, direct my agent. What the fuck, Siri, man?
I don't see. Wing flashbang.
Not be, are they?
He's probably so salted.
Laying down the smoke.
Grab my nigga.
I got it. Run, bitch, run!
How did he survive?
There's a raccoon in my engine.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Is it hilarious?
They're smoking mid.
Grenade out.
I'm blind. I am legally blind. Yeah, they're mid, they're mid.
Flashbang.
Alex?
I don't think they're ready.
Flashing behind you.
Wing flashbang.
Oh jeez.
Wait, they shut their fucking...
Just watch the video. Appreciate you showing me that.
There's
Best
a
video
raccoon in
ever.
my engine! I'm moving off towards Highway Taylor. Oh no!
They run away from that raccoon like,
There's a raccoon in my engine.
I didn't even realize the guy was running like that. Just left his friend. See, have you looked it up?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's so stupid.
Alright. Tango squad, move out.
Oh, I'm so bad.
Oh! Yo, are you guys ready for this?
Just pretend I'm the raccoon and they're the human.
Raccoon in my truck. Go. That's a new go.
I'm gonna go and save your ass on B.
Throwing flashbang.
Full blind! One's B main is 66.
Flashbang.
Full blind, that was such a nice play.
You weren't
He was the raccoon. Yeah.
Oh, the grenade.
Kobe.
Just when he said that, the grenade. Look at his cat. The grenade.
Even that. I'm gonna be a dickhead. Is that okay?
I ain't playing no more.
The way he runs.
There's a fucking in my engine. Fuck!